There are various softwares for photo editing, by which you can remove background of your desired images. You will find hundreds of video tutorials as well on YouTube in regarding photo editing. But today, Mr. Robot will show you how to remove background of any image free online. There is no need of any particular software, no application or any tool is required. Mr. Robot is gonna make it easier for you. If you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe us and don't forget to press the bell icon. Let's get started. First, you need to go on any browser. I am using Chrome right now. Go to the search bar of your browser, type www.remove.bg and press Enter key. Click on the very first link, it will take you to the main page. Click on Upload Image and upload any image you want to remove background from. As I currently don't have any image on my desktop, I am gonna download it first from the browser. Let's go for the Stephen Hawking. Okay, I just have downloaded it and uploaded as well. Once you upload it, it automatically will start removing background from your image. You can see how smoothly and perfectly it removed background from the image. There is no need of any further instructions. To save the edited image, you can do it by pressing download button there, or just press the right click to save. Here is the image we just edited. You can see both files here, one is JPEG and other is PNG. Now you can use it anywhere you want to. If you like this video, let us know in the comment box below. Thank you for watching.